Hello, and welcome to I'm Just a Messenger Tarot, where I will be doing collective general readings for my viewers. The messages could be past, present, or future energies. Please take what resonates, leave what don't. During the reading, if I say he, I could be referring to as she. Please do flip the roles if needed. If this video resonates with you or possibly someone you know, please hit the like, share, subscribe, and the notification button so that you'll be notified of new videos from the channel. And thank you so much, guys, for clicking on these videos. Let's hop into this energy. All right. Great day, collective friends. Get in here, collective friends. Let's talk. I hope you guys are having a great day wherever you are. Let's see if we can get a message for the collective. And to all of the subscribers and those who comment on the videos that resonate with you guys, I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. If you guys want personal readings, my information is in the description box. Okay. Let's see here. What's the message? The song. I don't even know if this is the title or the name of the song, but I believe it's I Got Heaven Right Here on Earth. Channeling that song. So some of you guys could be in a really good mood, or everything could be going good for you at this time, or about to. It's gonna go so good to where some of you guys feel like you got heaven right here on earth. You have everything you need. Tap into this energy. Spirit says, silence your mind. Don't let your thoughts trap you inside your own head. Include meditation, affirmation into your daily schedule, and watch as your thoughts begin to calm. Okay? Some of you guys could be having racing thoughts at this time, or like dealing with anxiety. Take time to meditate. You don't, now when we meditate, that doesn't mean that you have to go into meditation quietly for an hour, 30 minutes. If you're new to meditation, then you will start out slow. Like maybe try to stay in meditation for 2 minutes or 5 minutes. Yes, when you do it, your mind is going to think about other things because it's new to you. But the more you do it, the more you'll be able to tone out, your thoughts and just be, in that moment. I know when I first started meditating, and I haven't done it in a while, collective. I'm going to start back. So I could probably take something from that message. I remember when I first started meditating, I would close my eyes and I would, put myself on a beach, and I could hear the wind and the water hitting the shore. Like I could just paint that picture. But I noticed that I could only stay in that type of energy for a few seconds, because then my mind would switch to the kids or what I'm about to eat, like stuff like that. So when you start to meditate, it is very normal for your mind to drift off while in meditation. All right, so there will soon be a cause for celebration in your life. Spirit says, get ready to call up family and friends to propose a toast to all of your achievements, Yes, collective. I love it. Somebody is going to feel like they have heaven right here on earth. That's what I'm talking about. I almost started singing it. One day it's just going to slip out. Telling you, I love to sing, but I can't. Well, I can't. I'm not going to say what I can and can't do. I'm just going to say I wasn't blessed, with the voice to sing, like a lot of people are. See here. Message. Spirit says, whatever it is, let it go. You deserve to be happy. You deserve to be free of worry. You deserve a peace of mind. You deserve all things that serve your highest good. Check y'all out today, collective. I'm loving this energy. Some of you guys could just be a little, worried about the outcome of something, but don't. You have nothing to fear or nothing to worry about, okay? Let's get one more. Sorry if y'all can hear the trash people outside. You will soon be blessed with financial abundance. Let me repeat that. You will soon be blessed with financial abundance, collective. Spirit is always honored to gift us the things that we work for, pray for, and have faith in receiving. Get ready for your financial blessings. This is awesome energy, and I love it today. All right. Let's see here. Somebody walking around with a smile on their face, or you about to be, um, with your head up high, like you're gonna feel like you can take on the world. This is really good energy. Let's see. The message. And a lot of these are upside down. Speaking of upside down, yesterday on that video I did, I believe I channeled a song. And that was actually the name of the song, Upside Down, by, is it Diane Ross or something like that? Yeah, and the beat just came back to my head, and it's kind of got a little groove to it, to where you can celebrate, party, dance to this song. Okay, collective. Let's see. Wisdom. You're about to learn something or gain some knowledge. Yeah. When you go into this meditative state, quiet your mind for a few minutes, collective. That's when this wisdom is going to come to you. Like gaining clarity. Recognition and rewards. Collective, y'all are about to be so freaking happy. Okay? Whoever this is resonating with, this you're gonna know that whatever this is that's coming in for you is divinely guided and directly from source, the most high. Sacrifice. You guys could have sacrificed a lot, and you, in that time of sacrificing, you could have felt as if your ships wasn't coming in. Well, guess what? They coming. They are coming. Some of you guys have been doing some manifesting. Do you hear me? Let's see here. Message. Look, solitude. Some of you guys have been working hard on something. Or you need to be in this, get ready to be in this solitude energy to where you're going to be able to rest your mind, your thoughts. Also, this solitude wisdom, and with that silence your mind, this can also be further confirming, to try to do a little meditation. Memories of love. Some of you guys could be reminiscent. Victory and success, baby. If you don't know, you about to know. It's great. Now, the victory and success card comes after a difficult time collected in your life. So you about to call up family and friends and get ready to propose a toast, okay? Let's see here. That's the message. Balance. Stand your ground. You guys are going to be, balanced in every area of your life with this victory and success. It's this deception and envy. I was trying to figure, and then to get louder. Look, you got 7, 7, okay? I'm trying to wait for them to pass. I really hope y'all can't hear that, but it's loud. With the stand your ground and stand your ground in deception and envy. Look how this person looking on this card. Some folk ain't gonna like it. They are not gonna like this. So brace yourself. Look, which is why you're gonna have to stand your ground. You're gonna have to check a few people. Okay? Y'all gonna have some people messed up about this blow up. One more. Heartache and loss. I'm telling you, y'all finna fuck some people up with this. Y'all could have been surrounded or dealing with people who thought that you weren't gonna be shit. You weren't gonna amount to nothing. Do you hear me? This is, people were really, praying on your downfall, or, you could have been talking to people about ideas or things that you wanted to bring into reality. And these people was like, girl, or man, whatever. You ain't gonna be shit because I ain't shit. Is the type of energy, you know. But oh baby, y'all finna pop out. I'm telling you, y'all finna pop out quietly. It's crazy energy, crazy good energy. Let's see here. Raggedy bitch. Come on now. Well, collective, I guess if you ain't got haters and you ain't got people, in jealous energy, you ain't doing something right. So y'all finna have some haters. Y'all probably already surrounded by some of them. A few of them, or you may call this person a raggedy bitch. I don't know. Let's see. What is this? Also, if you went through a breakup, this person is gonna have to watch you be successful, collective, with that heartache and loss. What? This gonna tear somebody ass up. I'm telling you, y'all could have been dealing with people or a person that down talk to you behind your back or say a little slick shit to your face, but you held on to whatever this vision is that you're wanting to manifest, and it is about to come into fruition for you guys. This initials could be L, B, K, and D, first, middle, last initial. Look, 1111, baby. Y'all finna be on. I wipe me down. Wipe me down. Do you hear me? What? What's the message? About shit, wipe me down. Wipe me down. Don't get me started. Okay, okay, okay. I love this energy. I got chills on my arm. Oh, y'all can't see it. Some of you guys could be a Taurus. Come on with it. Upside down. The card came out. Well, the card, what I just said earlier about upside down, the card just came out upside down. You guys could have been in a really, really difficult space, where you could have felt like your life was upside down. But now you're about to be able to reverse that. Shoot, with that balance card there next to the victory and success. Look, social media. Then you got salty. Come on. Some of you guys could live in Washington. You got judgment. Fuck being nice. Wicked. Go with the flow. And growth. Y'all finna go to the next level. Just period. Just period. And you gonna have, look, that deception and envy, salty. Heartache and loss, judgment. This person is gonna have to sit and watch you be great. Just period. Just period. Let's get some of this tarot. Now that upside down card came out above the heartache and loss, um, as I hear the words in my mind to that song Upside Down, Diana Ross, that some of you guys could have went through a breakup, or somebody could have done you really bad. That don't have to be the case, but if it is, take that message, what I just said. If it don't, leave it. See here, what's the message? Also, collective, when you come into this energy, you may have a person or two that call you a raggedy bitch. I don't know. Look, 10 of Swords. This lack, this not having enough, paycheck to paycheck, that shit is over. Wow. It's good. Two of Swords. Eight of Swords. Ooh, that's a lot of sword energy coming out, baby. So it's some A raggedy bitch could have backstabbed you or betrayed you and left you in your head or feeling stuck and stagnant. Hierophant on that 11:11 and sacrifice. Again, guys, this is going to be, directly from God, from the Most High. You deserve this. You sacrificed a lot of your time, a lot of your energy into something or a person. You got the King of Wands here on that boss shit in solitude. Message. Some of you guys are really about to stand in your power. Oh my goodness. You got the King and the Queen of Wands. Some of you guys could be getting ready to go into union with your partner. That could be the reason or the cause to raise your glasses for a toast. If this is so, I'm sorry. If this was a secret. But some of you guys could be getting ready to get married. Okay. Empress on this victory and success. I'm telling you, you guys are about to come out of a hard time. Whatever it is that you're going through, that feels like it's a burden to you, that is about to be no more. This Empress card, look, wind me down. This Empress card. Now, the energies could be male or female energies, Just because I'm saying she does not mean that this is a she. It could very well be a he. We all harness both types of energy, masculine and feminine. Let's see here. Look, Ace of motherfucking Pentacles. Baby, I'm going to stop this reading collective because I feel like I'm just going to keep saying this over and over again. Y'all about to be so happy, man. I told you this is straight from God. That is a cloud with a hand coming out with the biggest pentacle that you can get. Y'all gonna have some people fucked up, man. Golly. Wow. You got the Knight of Wands there. Let's see. And that social media and stand your ground. If you guys have a page or a platform of some sort online, you could have these people that know you watching your page, or they could be on your social media page, leaving negative reviews or comments to where you're going to have to check that ass with this stand your ground. See here. There's this Knight of Wands and the Page of Swords. Yeah, you could have people, talking about what you're doing or what you're putting out on the internet. Star card. Some of you guys are for sure about to go to the next level. Your page could be booming. Out of nowhere, you start doing crazy numbers, or something you post is about to go viral. Wow, I just got butterflies in the pit of my stomach. All right. Some of you guys could have been working on this for a long time. Five of Swords. All right, it's a lot of air energy out here. Y'all could be dealing with, or you are, um, air sign, Aquarius. I mean, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Or one of those signs could be the one that's in this deception and envy and salty. Could be a water sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Wow. Then you have the Eight of Pentacles. Again, some of you guys could have been working at this a long time. I don't understand why people just can't be happy for folk. When it's their time, it's their time, you know? And it's sad that some people like to see you in the energy of lack or down, or wanting you to keep borrowing money from them or asking them for stuff or depending on them. Some people want you in a handicap energy like that. No, baby, not anymore. And some of y'all probably got a list or a handful of people y'all gonna look out for when this money come in, because this is about to be big shit popping. Collective, I am not playing. If you're resonating with this video, please leave a comment and say I'm ready or something like that. I don't know. I don't know what to tell y'all to say in the comments. Look, Queen of Pentacles, baby, male or female, y'all are about to be it. Do you hear me? Look, a reason to celebrate. The Queen, the Three of Cups here at the bottom of the deck. This is awesome. People gonna be mad because they can't celebrate with you. Look, something is over. The Death card on fuck being nice. Fuck being nice. That shit is over. That is over. Some of you guys could be Scorpios as well. Come on. Let's see. Shoot. That is the, I think that's the Eight of Cups. Yeah, Eight of Cups. Walking away from all of these people who were fake as fuck. Walking away from this lack, not having enough. That is over. Look, Six of Wands. Victory and success. Guys, this is really good energy. Some of y'all gonna be able to rest easy at night with this Four of Swords. Then you got the Queen of Cups and the King of Cups and the Ten of Pentacles. Some of y'all finna be in new relationships. Y'all finna get married. Your money good. Everything good. Your kids good. There is really gonna be a reason to celebrate, collective. Then you got the Two of Cups at the bottom. So again, some of you guys could be getting ready to go into union. Wow. Then the next card is the King of Pentacles. Some of you guys could be Capricorns or dealing with Capricorn. Let's see. I already did those. Marriage at the bottom of the deck. Again, some of you guys could be getting ready to go into union. Again, if this was a surprise or a secret, I heard Taurus. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to spoil the surprise, but y'all about to be really happy. Message. Time. Within a week. Strife. I'm telling you, people gonna be mad as hell. This. Like y'all probably start whole arguments in rooms y'all not even in. This is about to be huge. Look, new love flew out on that 11-11 in the Hierophant. Some of y'all getting ready to go into union. If y'all already with somebody, they probably about to propose. If you not, new love is coming in. I told you some of y'all broke up with somebody with this heartache and loss down here. Don't even worry about it. Judgment has been called. You're about to go into a union and you're gonna get married. This could be seen. It's a card flipped over already in the deck. Look, friends. Everybody gonna want to be your friend now. If you ain't had no friends when you was broke and didn't have shit, you don't need no friends now. New career. Look, wow. Y'all about to be on. Now all I hear is wipe me down. Wipe me down. Some of you guys could be fire energy with that Queen of Wands. Leo. And Beyonce upgrade you. Let me upgrade you. That just came. Information. Y'all about to find this out. This is going to be music to your ears. What is this message? Gossip. What I tell you? People going to be praying on your downfall. As usual. Let the people hate and watch the money pile up. What? Watching your every move. Social media. These folk gonna be stalking the shit out of you if they not already. Let's say you done already started some collective, and you done told your people about it, and you ain't saw them come on your timeline, or you ain't saw them leave no comment or views or nothing like that. You ain't saw nothing, ain't heard shit from these people. They are watching you, okay? And they finna be mad as hell hating on your success. I'm talking about salty as hell. Sleep. These people gonna, damn. These people gonna be having nightmares and can't sleep because of your success. That means you bad. You bad to the bone, collective. What? Anger on that salty. These people could all of a sudden start to plot, plot some type of plan or say leave comments on whatever this is or whatever you doing. It don't even have to be a page or it don't have to be on social media. You guys take the energy as it resonates. Whatever you've been working hard on that you are trying to manifest. When this shit pop for you, you're going to have people mad, talking, hating, being salty, jealous, passing judgment on shit they don't know nothing about. And they could possibly team up with a group of people to try to stop you or slow your motion down or something like that. All because they hating. Because you done said, fuck being nice. And you done moved on and you done elevated. Then you have lonely. What? These people are going to miss the fuck out of you. Look, with this heartache and loss. Either somebody is yearning for you right now, collective. They're in this energy because this was a breakup. Or you finna cut some friends off. Friends, family member, friends, whoever. You finna cut their ass off and they ain't gonna be able to come with you. And they're gonna be feeling lonely, stuck, depressed. Their self-esteem could drop. Wow, that is crazy. They need to go somewhere, sit down and heal. What's this? Give me a few more. Peace. Listen. Judgment. Queen of Pentacles. 3 of Cups. You're about to be good. You got peace, endings to any negative cycle, collective, that you were dealing with. Future, y'all about to be on. This say setting goals, 10-year plan, vision board, manifesting, retirement, organization, focused. Y'all about to be in y'all bag. You know, I love, 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 love this energy. Where I don't want to stop to read. I love it. Let's see. Look, what? Sudden wealth. I ain't finna play with y'all. I'm finna get off here collective. I'm collective friends. I'm finna get off here playing with y'all today. This is good. Let me get a few. Like some of you guys. Yeah. Okay. I'm almost done. Close the door, please. We got a new